30 yung mga sasakyan ni Diskaya na kinumpiska. At ito yung unang 7 na ibebenta natin, isusubasta ng Bureau of Customs. At more than 100 million ata ang value nitong 7 ito. Pero kahit na maliit yan kung kukumpara natin dun sa bilyong-bilyon na ninakaw, ito ay napaka-importanting simbolo at umpisa.
Authorities describe the auction as part of a broader effort to reclaim assets acquired through illicit means and redirect their value back to the public. The 7 cars could have raised over 103 million pesos had all units been sold, and 6 additional luxury vehicles under government custody may soon follow, potentially adding another 120 million pesos to state coffers. But the story is far from over.
Nang sinabi ng Pangulo natin na hindi